signing an MOU. I invite Mr. Akhilesh Reddy and Mr. Ashwin Chandru to kindly sign and exchange the MOU to cement Goa's partnership with this event.
You sign first. Sign first, then exchange. You have signed already.
Yes, thank
you. You have signed. Yes, please show first. Show like this. Now exchange. Yes. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yes. Congratulations to you also.
Well, I should say congratulations to Goa, and of course big congratulations also going out to the Indian Racing Festival. Ladies and gentlemen, with so much happening all over the world, why is it that whenever it comes to doing something new, a new kind of a festival, a new kind of approach to tourism, why is Goa literally up there in everyone's minds? For many reasons, not only because of nature, not only because of the weather that's largely bearable throughout the year, but also for one more reason, and that is the will of the government and the stakeholders. Always ready to try something new for Goa, always ready to do something new for Goa, and that is precisely the reason why Goa has been home to some of the most world-class global festivals. Today, as we add another chapter to that glorious book, I would like to invite to speak now the gentleman, the man who's been heading and spearheading Goa's growth not only as a tourism and a cultural capital of South Asia, but also Goa's growth at bringing world-class new entertainment into Goa. Please put your hands up for the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant.
Good evening, friends. तुमका सगळ्या जाणांक येवकार. आज सगळ्यात पहिली गोवा स्ट्रीट सर्किट राउंड 4 द इंडिया रेसिंग फेस्टिवल गोंयांत अनाउन्स करता आसतना म्हाका खूब खोस भोगता. हाच्या खासा सुवाळ्याक आमच्या मदीं आसा जी रेस आमी रेस फेस्टिवल मार्मागोवा तालुक्यांत मार्मागोवा कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन ऑर्गनायज करता. म्हणजे बरोबर आसात आमचे मार्मागोवाचे MLA बाब संकल्प आमोणकर, आमचे सेक्रेटरी फॉर द INB मिस्टर गिल, त्याच बरोबर CEO फॉर द ESG मिस्टर अश्विन चंद्रू, and for the Indian Racing Festivals कंपनीचे ओनर मिस्टर अखिलेश रेड्डी. तुम्ही सगळे जाण आतापर्यंत आम्ही सातत्यात गोंय हे सन सँड अँड सी हाच्या खातीर जाणा आशिल्ले. ताका आमी स्पोर्ट्स हो सेक्टर ऑलरेडी जोडिल्लो आसा आनी ह्या स्पोर्ट्स सेक्टरांतले आज म्हणजे गोवा स्ट्रीट सर्किट राउंड 4 हे अनाउन्स करता आसतना खूब खोस भोगता. आतापर्यंत गोंयांत नॅशनल आनी इंटरनॅशनल स्पोर्टिंग्स इव्हेंट्स आमी वेरियस ऑर्गनायज केल्या आणि हो इव्हेंट ऑर्गनायज करता आसतना म्हाका सांगपाक खूब खोस भोगता की आमी नॅशनल आनी इंटरनॅशनल वेरियस टुरिस्ट ह्या इव्हेंटा खातीर हांगासर अट्रॅक्ट करपाक शकतले. त्या खातीर परत एकदां हांव सगळ्यांचे येवकार दिता आनी तुमकां सगळ्या जाणांक आय वेलकम एवरीवन प्रेझेंट हियर. इट गिव्स मी द प्राइड टू जॉइन यू टुडे फॉर द अनाउन्समेंट ऑफ द गोवा स्ट्रीट सर्किट एज द होस्ट फॉर द राउंड 4 ऑफ द 2025 इंडियन रेसिंग फेस्टिवल. This is a landmark occasion for the Goa, and on that it will be remembered as a turning point in the way we may showcase our state to the world. Goa has always been meeting point for the culture, traditions, and ideas. In recent years, and we have continuously expanded our role as a destination not only for the leisure and culture, but also for the major national and international event. The International Film Festival of the India has given the Goa as a special place in the world of cinema, and our festival at the convention attracted the visitors from all the part of India and abroad. With the announcement of the Goa Street Circuit, and we are now adding the international motorsports to this growing portfolio. This will be the first oceanfront racetrack in the South Asia, and it will be established in Goa firmly on the global sporting map. India has already demonstrated that the motorsports can be hosted successfully in the diverse region. In Jammu and Kashmir, racing events has been organized and highlighted the regions of the potential for the tourism and youth engagement. In the Telangana, Hyderabad has successfully hosted the Formula E and the other high-level racing competitions, gaining the international recognitions. In Tamil Nadu, Chennai has been home to track to racing of the many years and building both the expertise and the strong fan base. This experience shows us that motorsports is not limited to the few places, but it can be thrive wherever there is a vision, planning, and public support. Goa is now ready to join this league. I take this opportunity to acknowledge our partner, Racing Promotion Private Limited, and to conduct such race in India. And their expertise and international accreditations gives us the confidence that the Goa Street Circuit and will meet the highest global standard of safety, technology, and competitions. The advantage of the hosting such events extend well beyond the 3 days of racing. Tourism and economy. The motorsports attracts the international attentions, bringing the visitors, media, and sports stars. And this will be given the strong boost to our hotels, restaurant, transport service, and local business. The employment and skills. The event will be generates the direct and indirect employment for the Goan in the areas ranging from the event management, hospitality, logistic, and technical support. Youth and innovation. The motorsport is the platform for the technology, engineering, and innovations. It will inspire our young people and to explore the career in this area and linking the Goa in the future of the high performance industries. The infrastructure legacy. The facilities created for this event will remain available for the future use, allowing the Goa to host the other major cultural, sporting, and tourism related programs. I want to acknowledge the role of the Entertainment Society of the Goa and the cooperations of the multiple government departments who are working together to make these initiatives possible. This is an example of how the partnership between the government, private sector, and the local stakeholders can create the world-class outcome. Friends, the Goa Street Circuit is not just a sporting event, it is a part of the larger vision of the positioning of the Goa as an international event. Alongside the other strength in the culture and natural beauty, and we are building the Goa's identity as a state that is a capable, confident, and ready to host the world. I extend my best wishes to the organizers and all the partners involved in this journey, and let us work together to make this event successful and to ensure Goa is remembered as a pioneering destination for the motorsports in the South Asia. परत एकदा हांव ह्या सगळ्या इव्हेंटात वांटेकारी जावपी आणि स्पेशली विथ द रेसिंग प्रमोशन प्रायवेट लिमिटेड ह्या प्रायवेट सेक्टरांतल्या कंपनीतले हो इव्हेंट गोंयांत हाडल्या बद्दल हांव तांचे खूब मनापासून अभिनंदन करता आणि हातूंतल्यान नक्कीच आमी जे म्हणटा की गोंय हे ऑलरेडी ग्लोबल डेस्टिनेशन म्हणून वळखले वता टुरिस्ट आनी एड ऑन जावपा खातीर हो इव्हेंट आमकां अजुनूय फायदेशीर ठरतलो आणि खूब बऱ्या पद्दतीन आमकां ह्या इव्हेंटा खातीर मार्मागोवा तालुक्यांतले आणि पुराय गोंयांतल्या सगळ्या लोकांचे आमकां सुदोदीत सहकार्य मेळटले स्पेशली रेसिंग इव्हेंटांत एट्रॅक्शना खातीर वेरियस यूथ जे सातत्यान अशा पद्दतीन ट्रॅव्हल फॉर द ग्लोबल लेवलाचेर करता ते सगळे जाण हांव इन्वायट करता मुद्दामून हो इव्हेंट्स तांकांय पळोवपा खातीर गोंयांतले कितलेशेच आमचे गोंयकार भाव आनी भयणी हो इव्हेंट पळोवपा खातीर ह्या इव्हेंटाक येतले परत एकदां हांव म्हज्या प्रेस मिडियांतल्या सगळ्या भाव भयणीक हो इव्हेंट ग्लोबल नॅशनल आनी इंटरनॅशनल लेवलाचेर तुम्ही सगळ्या जाणांनी मोठ्या प्रमाणात हायलायट करचो हे तुमच्या लागीं मागता आणि एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटी ऑफ गोवा अँड रेसिंग प्रमोशन प्रायवेट लिमिटेड हांकां दोगांयकू हांव कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करता. If you want to ask anything, you can. It is not a land, it is a track. And it is a track has identified in Marmagua constituency, which is already 3 kilometers, 3.2 kilometers, which is already identified. And it is an, without disturbing the major traffic in the Marmagua city.
Or can we?
Whenever international event that we have seen, EDMs the big festivals are DJs, there's music that. So will this also hold those festivals?
तू डायरेक्टली हो इव्हेंट ईडीएम फेस्टिवला कडेन कित्याक जोडटा आमकां ऑलवेज पॉझिटिव्ह विचार करपाची गरज आसा एटलिस्ट म्हज्या सगळ्या पत्रकार भावांक कारण ह्या इव्हेंटाक आमी वेलकम करता आसतना तुमी डायरेक्टली नेगेटीव वाटेन वचूं नाका आमकां पॉझिटिव्ह वाटेंतल्यान घेवपाची चड गरज आसा कारण येदो व्हडलो इंटरनॅशनल इव्हेंट आमी जेन्ना गोंयान ऑर्गनायज करता म्हाका दिसता रिपोर्टरांनी खास करून ताका वेलकम करपाची गरज आसा. इट इज अ टुरिजम, इट इज अ इकॉनॉमी एंड गोवा इज अ ग्लोबल डेस्टिनेशन. आमकां हें करपाक जाय. वी वॉन्ट टू पोजिशन गोवा एज अ स्पोर्टिंग हब एंड नॉट आमकां इट इज नॉट ओनली विथ द म्हणजे tourism only, that it is a global destination for the sporting hub also.
Right. Sir, can we just take the questions a little later? We have a video to show you. Maybe that will answer some questions. And we shall open the house to question answers shortly because this is a press meet after all. Let's have a look at the video, please.
First and second.
Well, that is a Google image of the proposed racing track. And before you raise any more questions, we still have one special surprise for you. For that, I would like to invite Mr. Akhilesh Reddy first and foremost to present a memento to all our dignitaries on the stage, starting with none other than the Honorable CM Dr. Pramod Sawant. And everyone, मैं चाहूँगी कि आप ये memento ध्यान से देखें. This is the actual imagery of the racing track. So this is not just a memento, it is Goa's and IRF's affirmation to this gigantic exercise that is coming up. Can we please present a memento to all other guests as well? We'd like to say a big thank you to Mr. Ashwin Chandru, Mr. Sankalp Amolkar, Mr. Sarpreet Singh Gill, Gentlemen, just momentarily, may I request you to stand up? मेरा निवेदन है, आप सब एक बार प्लीज खड़े हो जाएं मेमेंटोस के साथ. मैं चाहती हूँ आप हमारे प्रेस और मीडिया के मित्रों को एक बार ये रेसिंग ट्रैक दिखा सकते हैं. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look at the IRF, the Goa Racing Circuit. Thank you so much. As I invite you all to please settle down again. अब समय है हमारे प्रेस एंड मीडिया के मित्रों का. आपके दिल में जो भी सवाल हो, शक, शंकाएं, शुभे, it's time to answer those. Let's begin with the question answers. I'd appreciate if you put your hand up, please send the mic across, and then you can start with your question.
Excuse me. It is a Goa Street Racing Round 4, the Indian Racing Festival. Will start from the 31st of October to the 2nd of November. It is for the 3 days.
So chaliye, mark your dates, save these dates. Mike, we are sending your mic, sir.
Already ट्रॅक थंयसर आसा, तो आमकां परत एकदा म्हणजे रिफर्निश करपाक जाय. ऑलरेडी द एक्झिस्टिंग ट्रॅक, ओके, वी वॉन्ट टू रिफर्निश इट. इट इज अ गवर्नमेंट infrastructure. It is a government infrastructure and it will remain for the forever. In future, such type of events, if you want to organize, we'll organize there only.
Sir, 2 questions. What sort of investments have gone in? Plus, after the event has concluded, with the local commuters would be able to use the circuit?
Of course, for this event, is approximately 127 crores of rupees expenditure is there, and from that all together, approximately the 27 crores of rupees government of Goa is giving for them for the licenses and for all other purpose, whatever the means.
The hosting fee, licenses, and
Yeah, for that purpose, and another 20 to 25 crores of rupees government of Goa is spending for the infrastructure, which will be the permanently remain with the government of the Goa. Rest all they are spending. It means 60% of the money, more than 70% of the money their company is spending.
terms of support and all. Could you tell us how could it be different from Chennai Formula Racing or Kerala Motorsports Speedway? These are the circuits which are there. So how different this circuit that you would like to make it the best?
So Chennai, we did a night race and we are doing a day race over here. And as already mentioned, this will be the Southeast Asia's first oceanfront track. So firstly, it will put the Goa into global motorsports map, and it will show the capability of the state and the city by not just a party place or a holiday destination, but also it has the potential of the motorsports.
F1 is totally different from F4.
So we are doing the Formula 4.
Yeah.
F1 is, you can say, 20x more than this.
This is how are the participants and all? Because already the dates have been announced.
Yes, we do have the drivers, and we have drivers from all across the world, and we have the technical team from Asia and Europe, both the engineers, mechanics, and the data analysts. And we have the drivers, so we are running two categories, Indian Racing League and the Formula 4. So in both of these, we find Indian drivers and also the European drivers.
So this will be really आमच्या देशाच्या भुरग्यांक पळयताल्यार न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट दिसतलो, स्पेशली F4 रेसिंग एंड सो कितली ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळटली गोंयच्या भुरग्यांक?
गोंया खातीर ही नवीन ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आसा. गोंयांतलो यूथ सातत्यान इनोवेटीव वेगवेगळ्या पद्दतीन सोदीत आसता. कितें तरी म्हाका दिसता यंग भुरगे जे आसा हांच्या खातीर दीस फेस्टिवल विल बी वन ऑफ द एट्रॅक्शन प्लस इनोवेशन्स करपा खातीर तांच्या खातीर आशिल्ली बरी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आसा इन स्पोर्टिंग सेक्टर. एक गजाल ज्या ज्या जाग्यार आमकां गोंयकारांक इनवॉल्व करपाक मेळटलें डेफिनेटली वील से देम टू इनवॉल्व अवर गोवन पीपल वेर एवर पॉसिबल. अवर टॅलंट वील बी युटिलायज्ड.
Any else? Anyone else?
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.